What's up, guys? Today's video is part 1. This would be okay. I'll let you do your
Hey guys, what's up? It's Techno Sword here, and today I am playing Animal Company. This is episode 2, but today we have a special guest. For today, and only every 10 episodes this will happen. I will be playing with one lucky subscriber.
Okay, now it's my turn. But guys, today's video, this is part 2 for him, but it's part 1 for me because I don't know what happened. Okay, and if you want to see something, the part 3 of something, give me 10 likes and I will do it. And give me like 5 more subscribers and I'll do it. Like 10 likes on this video and 10 subscribers. Do it. This is part 1. We're going to Haunted Mansion again. You can see, yeah, we're going to Haunted Mansion. Yeah, don't mind him, he's my pet dog. Alright, let's get geared up.
I thought we were I'm already geared up.
Well, I'm not.
No, we're going to Haunted Mansion.
Oi.
That was a good throw.
Alright. Okay. Get your stuff ready.
Let me get my stuff.
Get your stuff.
Let me get my stuff.
Let me get.
So you.
Oh, I need a bag.
You marshmallow.
No, you have this bag.
You
are like you get stuff, and let's see what happens. You get stuff.
Okay.
First,
you are.
That's enough.
You are.
We get a blue bag.
Subscriber marshmallow.
And then we get.
And this will only happen every 10 episodes, won't it, Leo?
Yep.
Hey.
And now
every 10 episodes, one of you will get chosen to play Animal Company.
Can I have a tablet? Can I have a tablet?
What's that? Wait, what is that? What is the tablet?
Okay, I can give you a tablet.
Shows you where people are.
Here.
That's what the radar does.
Okay, everybody get a tablet. I guess it's all
I've got one.
Okay, I need.
What do I do with it?
Yeah, if you get lost, we can look for it.
I'm gonna need to drop one of my flashbangs.
Wait, shall I give you a blue bag?
Yes, please. Actually, wait, no, I'm good.
No, this can hold more things. Now, get your tablet ready.
Bro!
Okay, I think we're gonna need. Okay, we're gonna go Haunted Mansion, like I already said. But we need.
Who cheated?
Okay, he did. Alright. Oh, I'm on 3,029,000. Alright. Okay, I'm good. Okay, everybody have 2 each.
2 each what? 2 each what?
Of these, just in case we die. Just in case someone tries to kill us. Okay, take 2.
What's this?
Take 2.
What's this? What's this?
Put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. Are we all geared up?
No.
Yep.
Okay.
Not yet.
Everybody needs a mining tool.
I have 2 crowbars, so I'm good.
No, this can like one-shot something.
No, I'm good. I'm good with my 2 crowbars.
Okay. Alright. Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay. Let me die really quick so I can get rid of this. Don't touch this blue bag.
Wait!
Don't touch.
You have a bag. Okay, I'll keep guard.
Just don't steal this.
Yeah,
I just need to do something.
Wait, what is he doing?
He's getting rid of the cheese smell.
Hold on, what that's thing? That's good.
Hey, I'm gonna get some more cheese.
Oh no! Don't get more cheese! Don't get the cheese!
Don't get more!
That's the.
Don't get more.
Can I do this? Can I do this?
No. Yeah, you can throw
I
it.
threw it away.
Okay, come on, guys.
Wait, can I put it on the landmine? Can I put it on the landmine?
Come on. We have to go.
Yeah, we have to go.
Yes, come on.
Where's the haunted
over here.
mansion?
Come on. Okay.
The haunted mansion's over here.
Alright, this will be a long trip.
Ow!
So, get your pickaxes ready. Get pickaxe ready. and this.
What happens if we die?
You mean my crowbars?
Yeah, and crowbars. If you die, you have to try and get your things back.
We can die a maximum of 4 times.
Yep.
If we die 4 times, we have to stop the video.
Yep.
Hey, wait, wait,
Let's go
wait.
down. Right.
If what?
Ow!
We have
Oh.
to. If what?
Sorry, I fell on you.
Oh shoot! I moved.
Okay, let me get. Right, actually, stop.
I need to get a flashbang. Get a flashbang.
Let me just get my weapon. Don't
I need
shoot
to get
any.
a flashbang.
Oh, he's died.
Oh no.
Yeah, he died.
Guys,
He died, I didn't we know.
What? We don't die.
Right?
Did I get him?
No. Well, that was easy.
Oh wait, you killed him. Let me just go get him.
No! He's here.
Flashbang, lead him over here. Oh.
He's on me.
Flashbang him.
guys, I'm coming back.
Okay, I'm gonna
There you are.
I have a flashbang. I have a flashbang.
flashbang him. Flashbang!
Alright, I got a
Flashbang!
flashbang. I got a flashbang.
Do it!
It's not exploded. It's not exploding.
Oh my god, but how? I got it. Hurry up, Leo. Nope, not this one. No, I don't want to get that one. Okay. Hello?
Chicken is coming for me.
Hello? Yo, we're almost there.
I'm back.
This chicken is coming for me.
Yo, come back.
Where are you?
Hi.
We'll lead you there. Yes. Hello, I hear you.
Hi.
The chicken's coming to me.
Yep.
Like me.
Bro, you.
You're welcome.
Where's it? I want it. I don't have one.
Bruh.
I know.
Where are you?
Marshmallow Man, bro. You just stood there doing nothing.
Are you in forest? Oh, my battery died.
Okay, come on, you can make me. Let's go.
Wasn't he, Leo? Wasn't he messing around?
His VR died.
Leo?
Yeah?
Wasn't that guy a little strange?
No. Come on, get your stuff! Are you... Come on! Come on, hurry up.
I literally, all I have is my bag.
It's fine. Go on. Let's go. Run. Come on, run. Okay, let me get more. Let me get a pistol.
Okay, I'm running.
Okay, I have my grapple.
Snack break.
Okay, come on, quick. It's fine. Okay, come on. Come on. We have to go.
There's enemies ahead.
I know. Where are you?
There's lots of enemies ahead.
Look, I have my pistol. Come on.
I don't have any.
It's
I don't have any weapons.
I do, so come on. Come on.
Oh,
We can do this.
oh, it's a bit cloudy. Oh no.
Okay, let me kill.
Where do we go? Where do we go? He is coming for you.
Don't come.
Huh?
Okay, Oh, I ask
I'm
you.
making my way.
Where are you?
I'm in a little crevice.
Do you want my pistol? Do you not? I mean, do you want my pistol or the scrappler?
Grappler.
Okay. Here. Where's the grappler?
It's back here.
Okay, go up. Try to go all the way up here. So like, yeah, okay. Try to like grappler your way. Come on. Oh no! No! Why did you have to move? No offense, but oh my god! Come on! I'm not trying to be rude or anything. It's just get that pickaxe.
I've got a crowbar.
That would do. Fuck yeah, I know you. You're not scary for me anymore. Gosh. I'm actually kind of mad of him. I'm back where
Sewers! Come into sewers!
I'm already at the thing. I'm coming to sewers now. I'm actually kind of mad. Hi. Come after me.
I can try and get through. Oh. I have a crowbar, don't worry.
Come.
I'm coming back. With supersonic speed.
I'm coming. We're straight there. We're doing new. Hey, don't go! Oh.
Huh?
Oh, it seems he's on the radio. radar. Let me just go to him on the radar. According to the radar, he should be right here.
Come on.
Where are we going?
Let's see. We're just gonna go to the upper forest now. because this is too hard for you. I can see that. We're gonna go to a different map.
Ooh, explore.
Okay. Drop that first.
Go on!
It's giving you stuff.
Right, let's put it in.
Take it.
Take it. Let me just get him. Teleport grenade.
Actually, give me it. Wait. Activate it and then drop it. Activate it. Oh, drop it. Okay, now. Wait, let me just. Okay, let me just get my stuff now.
Balloons. Okay,
wait.
That's my gun.
But that's my gun. Oh yeah. Take it. And we get another one.
You kinda teleported me, so I think we have to do the teleport grenade thing again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
my headset battery's low. We got to do this quick.
Okay, let me just get myself a weapon.
Okay, I think we're good.
Yep. Okay, bye. I'm gonna put you into somewhere. Just stay there, I'll be fast.
Okay.
Get yourself a torch. God, hurry up. Oh, sorry, Technosaur, that I said that. I'm just a bit stressed because you're 3 hours slow, and yeah. This changed again. No matters. This is sewers. Yeah, this is sewers. So that's what I thought it. Seriously. Bye. Ha. Oh, thank God. Oh, I thought I lost this. I'm almost there. Just in case, can you give me something? Can you give me a crowbar just in case? Hello?
Hello.
Can you quickly give me a crowbar?
Okay.
Thanks. I'm about to teleport you in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, don't worry, I'm here. Yep, hi.
Ooh, spare ammo.
Yeah, so this is it. We have to go, alright? Let me quickly kill this guy. I'll tell you when you can go. Okay, you can go now. Yeah. Do you want this? Okay, let me kill him now. You have no more. Wait, do you want this grappler?
Yeah.
Will it be easier? Okay, here.
Yeah. Here, you take the thrust.
Just follow me. Do you know where I am?
No, but I'm making my
Hey.
way through.
Here.
Hey!
If we make it through here, we can end the video because we've gone through sewers. No, one! No, you're gonna... Okay, be careful with that thing. I'll grab onto something, I'll wait there until I say go, okay? Because I don't want you to die. Okay, grab on it. Okay, you can go. Okay then, good job. Come here. Come here. Okay, we don't need to shoot that one. Come here. Yeah, no, come here, just come here. Okay. Come through here. Oh no, oh no! Okay, don't go through there yet. This is where the end. Let me go.
I don't know.
Come! Come! Just come! Come through! Okay, go to the teleporter where like all the things are and press the green buttons. Please make it. Please make it. No, you died! But actually...
Before we end the video, should we do Russian roulette?
Okay, come on. Don't get... Okay, come on then. Come on.
We're going backstage. Wait, I hear your voice, but I
Come
can't
here.
see you. I hear your voice.
Hi. Make sure that you don't know. Okay, my turn. First me. Okay, now let me just... So I can't see it. Now shoot yourself. Like, grab it. Now do this. Not me.
Yeah, we shoot each other.
Okay, you shoot me.
Wait, no, I'll shoot myself.
No, you shoot each other now. You shoot each other now. Give me it.
Okay.
Where did I? Damn. I did it. Okay, that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it.
Wait, before you end the video.
Yeah?
I wanna do a 1v1.
No, oh please. Fine. Actually, no. No, we're gonna do it with the Hulk hands.
What are Hulk hands?
Wait, okay, no, I don't have my mum, so okay. Hope you liked the video. Wait, right there. This is my mum. Right, hope you liked it. See you then. Bye!